Only the seed and Jet are describing the seeds properly, not doing absolute, feeling absolute. Yeah, that's right. I guess the Jedi is the thing of like, it's cool when I do it. Is it bad? Yeah, fix it. Hey! Oh my god! Oh. So, if we despawn the fish, we have a chance. If we not, I just need to check what are our possibilities. I kinda gave up in the last attempt, but I shouldn't. Yeah, the boss is actually fun. Again, in the first attempt, like, we did really well. That's why I thought, piece of cake. No. Not in this license. I'm here. I need you here. Here. Okay. Oh, fucking bullshit. Spotables, dude. Oh my god, I can't believe I survived that. 3 hits. Let's go! Like the magic Koopa appears isn't a consistent spawn. And I don't know why. It's obnoxious because you cannot like deal with it. Sometimes it appears really late, sometimes it appears at the very beginning. I guess it has to do with maybe like global timer or something. Hell if I know. But it's a little annoying. Because it messes me with the potential strats in there. Not that I have strats, but it messes me with the potential strats. Okay, we're getting good at entering the door. Fuck you, Magic Koopa. Oh my god, please. Let's fucking go! Yes! Oh, lost track of time. Honestly, walking is pretty good. I love walking. Very nice. Maybe a string cheese. You're always gonna win with some cheese. Love me some good cheese. Exactly, Dave. Yeah, I don't know about cheese, but it's always really good. What is your favorite type of cheese? Enter the door. Okay, this time for sure. Okay, I can grab a block here. Stop tossing it. He's messing up with my... Let's fucking go. Finally. Oh my god.